season for colds and sneezing, runny noses, heads all wheezing, cough drop wrappers everywhere and tissues tucked in every chair. Coffee's cold before it's sipped, my sense of taste has up and skipped. I'd shake your hand, but let's be real, a friendly wave feels much more heal. Oh, ho, ho, I do bless you too. We're all a sniffly, sneezy crew. But this will pass, it always does, even when you feel like fuzzy sludge. So hum along, drink soup, take rest. Tomorrow you'll feel slightly best. 'Tis the season, yes it's true, for colds and sneezing, and healing too. Thermometers play guessing games, dizzy chills with fever flames. Blanket on, blanket off, wake up just a hacking cough. Even Rudolph had a glowing nose, still save the day, so heaven knows if reindeer can't push through the sneeze, you'll bounce right back, just not with ease. Oh, ho, ho, a true, hang in there, wash your hands and say a prayer. Rest your body, ease your mind, better days are close behind. 'Tis the season,